Great experiment again. Playing in the backyard, trying to get some water on some of these plants as effortlessly as possible. Let's begin. Got two 6-foot hoses I'm going to split with this splitter, and I got a sprinkler already running on the other side. I'm going to try on both sides so that I get the whole area. Let's give it a go. There's no setup with the 4 splitters here on the ground. My wife likes her little thing. Got that hosing down that new palm, but I've turned it off. It can't handle all the valves open at once. I've just got one on, and I've got one hose that goes in this bucket that I got. There we go. I drilled some holes in the bottom of it for extra drainage. And it's doing a pretty good job of covering, but it's not quite hitting both palms. So we want to hit both palms. We're screwing the splitter on to the long black hose. And we're going to spread them out this way and this way to make sure we hit the palms pretty good on both of them. I've changed the setting. I had it on this originally, where it shut off on each side, but I'm going to do this. This is the on position because it goes with the flow of the water. So where it sprays forward and a little to the side. And it'll cover hopefully all that and some grass and all that and some grass. And we'll see. That way I can get this tree and the bushes. I get all of it and get it all done while I'm watering the front yard. Right, Rabbit? Right. Yeah, that's probably good, Doc. Turn it on, see how it goes. We're gonna get this on. Boy, we're getting the tree over there wet. I'm gonna get wet in a second. I got wet. There you go. Well, it hit way over here. The butterfly. Getting wet way over here. Not bad if you leave it on long enough. Got it made. There we go again. Hit my foot. Cool. Right in the middle. And it's getting my tree way over there. As long as we're not going into the house. Let's see, it's getting a little on the concrete. I took that off. I think I'm getting it over here. I have to change something. Oh, I got splattered. I don't think it would hurt to be inside that tree. Oh, all the way through. Woo! There. So I'm watering the back without watering the back, because I can do the front yard while this stuff works. And I've done my job as dad. Water the plants. Good deal. Hope you learned something. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. And this guy will go over here, same as this, and then we'll bury some of that stuff. I'll be able to water most of the back while I'm working on the front. buy my way out of work. All right, bye.